Welcome to Upstart Plus. World is changing. AI is causing many workers to lose their jobs, but at the same time, new opportunities are emerging. Even top companies are unable to retain resources. It's time to explore new opportunities. Consultancy, research, and AI-based jobs are being explored by experts. This is future of freelancing for experts. Top freelancers and experts are able to achieve so much, including financial freedom in their lives because they know something that you don't. You may be an expert in your field and have many years of experience, but still unsuccessful in freelancing career. Are you an expert in areas such as AI and machine learning, big data, cloud computing, blockchain, DevOps, business intelligence, software development, web development, quality assurance, UI UX design? UI UX testing, mobile development, apps development, marketing, Internet of Things, fintech, robotic process automation, cybersecurity, or any such technology? If yes, this video is for you. As a freelancer and expert in your field, you can earn a lot of money from comfort of your home by using platforms that I'm about to share with you. The reason most freelancers fail is because they do not explore what is beyond Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. There are bigger and better expert networks than these three. I have explored many of these myself. These networks can pay experts from $200 per hour to $500 per hour easily, and even more. In this video, I am about to share these platforms that can upgrade your freelancing career. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. As an expert in your field, you can provide consultancy, feedback, opinion, or share your research on a specific topic and get huge financial benefit from it. Expertfy.com is an online marketplace for hiring experts in various fields such as data science, machine learning, programming, and more. Create an account on this website and create a profile that showcases your skills, expertise, and experience as expert in your field. You can browse and apply for projects on this site. Look for projects that match your skills and interests and submit a proposal to the project owner. New projects and opportunities become available daily that can be explored. Build a strong reputation, deliver high quality work on time, communicate effectively with clients, and ask for their feedback. Get positive reviews and ratings that can help you build a strong reputation and attract more clients here. Set competitive rates based on your experience and the market demand for your skills. Be flexible and willing to negotiate with clients. Stay up to date with industry trends. Keep learning and updating your skills to stay competitive and relevant in your field, and you will be successful on this site. Next is expertconnect.net. It is a platform that connects experts in various fields with clients who need their services. Create an account on Expert Connect and create a profile that highlights your experience, expertise, and qualifications. Fill out your profile, including your work history, education, certifications, and any other relevant information that can help you stand out as an expert in your field. Respond to requests for proposals. Clients post requests for proposals on this site to find experts to help them with various projects. Review the requests for proposals that match your skills and expertise and submit a proposal that addresses the client's needs. You can set your own competitive rates on Expert Connect based on your experience, qualifications, and the market demand for your skills. Ivy Exec is a website that provides various career services such as job postings, career coaching, and network opportunities. It is not a platform for making money directly. It can be a valuable resource for advancing your career and potentially earning a higher salary. Ivy Exec provides a job board with high quality, senior level job postings. By applying for jobs through Ivy Exec, You may have access to exclusive opportunities that are not listed elsewhere. It offers career coaching services as well that can help you identify areas for professional growth and advancements. By improving your skills and positioning yourself as a stronger candidate, you may be able to command a higher salary in your current or future roles. Network with other professionals in your industry and learn about new job opportunities or gain insights that can help you advance your career. It hosts events and webinars that provide insights into industry trends and best practices. By staying up to date with the latest developments in your field, you may be better positioned to earn more money by offering more value to your employer or clients. Consulta is a website that provides a platform for individuals and businesses to offer consulting services to clients. If you are a consultant, coach, or expert in a particular field, Consulta can be a great platform to showcase your expertise and potentially earn money by offering your services to clients. Sign up as a consultant or create a profile that showcases your expertise and experiences. Make sure you provide as much details as possible about your skills and services, as this will help potential clients find you. Set your own rates for your consulting services. Set competitive rates to reflect your experience and expertise to ensure maximum success on this platform. Cleverex is a website that provides a platform for businesses to find and hire top quality software developers and engineers based on Middle East. If you have software development or engineering skills, you may be able to make money by offering your services to businesses on Cleverex. Sign up as a developer and create a profile that showcases your skills and expertise. Also, experience. Apply for projects at Cleverex. Businesses post software development and engineering projects on this platform. You can apply for these projects by submitting your proposal and demonstrating your expertise in the relevant technologies and tools. Prosapient is a website that provides a platform for businesses to access market intelligence and expert analysis. If you have expertise in a particular industry or market, you can make money by offering your insights and analysis to businesses. Sign up as an expert and create a profile that showcases your expertise and experience. Apply for marketing projects that businesses post related to market intelligence and expert analysis. You can apply for these projects by submitting your proposal and demonstrating your expertise in the relevant industry or market. Accurate Insight is a website that provides market research services to businesses. If you have experience in market research or data analysis, you may be able to make money by offering your services to businesses on Accurate Insight. Sign up as a researcher and create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. Apply for projects that businesses post related to market research. Submit your proposal and demonstrate your expertise in the relevant industry or market. ENG LLC is a website that provides engineering and technical consulting services to businesses. If you have experience and expertise in a specific field of engineering or technical consulting, you may be able to make money by offering your services to businesses on this platform. Sign up as a consultant and create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. Apply for projects that businesses post related to engineering and technical consulting on the platform. Submit your proposal demonstrating your expertise in the relevant field and get the projects. Athenium is a website that connects businesses with industry experts for market research and consulting services. If you have experience and expertise in a particular field like banking, AI, finance, blockchain, or any related technology, you can make money by offering your services to businesses here. Sign up as an expert and create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. Apply for projects that businesses post related to research and consulting projects on the platform. Submit your proposal demonstrating your expertise and experience in the relevant industry or market and provide consulting or marketing research services. ForShare is a file sharing and cloud storage platform. It may not provide direct ways to earn money, but there are a few potential ways you can use ForShare to make money. If you have files that other might find valuable, you can share them on ForShare and potentially charge a fee. for access. For example, you could create an ebook, tutorial video, or other digital product and upload it to Forshare. Then you can share the link to your product and charge people for access to it. If you have clients who need to share large files, you can use Forshare to store and share those files for them. You can charge a fee for this service and potentially earn money by helping clients manage their files more efficiently. If you have a blog, website, or social media following, you can use Forshare's affiliate program to earn money by promoting the platform to others. If you have a large following on Forshare and share a lot of files, you may be able to monetize your content by allowing advertisers to place ads on your files. This can be a good way to earn passive income. So these are a few expert networks that are available for you to provide your services. Remember, earning money on such platforms requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to providing high quality work. With the right skills and attitude, you can build a successful career as a freelancer or expert on these platforms. But not all platforms may work for you. You just need one good platform that works for you to make you good living or income. Let me know which one do you like the best from the list that I have shared here. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.